So have you been taking your medication? Why would you sleep at the wheel right here?
440. You show me out 439.
Hold on a second. So you may have to smell it because I can't smell the COVID, so I can't smell any alcohol if she was to be.
How's it going? My name's Officer Hansen. So, from what I heard, you were over here sleeping?
Yes.
Is there a reason you were sleeping in the parking lot?
I have low blood sugar, and I even explained that to the bank teller.
Where's your husband at right now?
He is in
What's that?
he's on
It's can't feel open thing. It's alcohol in there. This is the alcoholic beverage, right?
yeah.
So, I'm just going to be straight up honest with you.
I mean,
It doesn't matter, so let me be honest with you right now. You are in constructive possession of this vehicle. You had an open container. You can go to jail for a DUI right at this exact minute. So it's best to be honest with us right now so we can figure this out. Because the vehicle is running, you're in the driver's seat, and you had an open container.
Where is your husband? Call your husband.
You have
Jackson. He's in Jackson.
you have extremely slurred speech.
Have you been drinking, or is it your medication that has you slurred speech? She normally has slurred speech. But why is your speech slurred right now? Like the first time we dealt with you, have you been drinking? Have you been drinking and taking medication at the same time, or is it just your medication?
It's just my medication.
You smell alcohol in there?
I mean, you can let me blow. Like, I'll blow.
So what medication did you take? Did you do the Xanax? Because I know you was on the Xanax and all that other stuff.
Xanax, my Subutex, my hydrocodone.
So what have you taken?
Nici se khai scene e gdum Sirius tone sit kar ditë khai.
March 11th, 2024, police KO call Milty High Credit Union parking lot mainak or its steering wheel par slump position main by T High, or Gari Kahud par open container pada high. AAP notice carrying Kai surf slumped over Honabi officers Kalia red flag Hoda High.
Kyan?
Kyunki ya medical emergency B Hosakti High ya DUI ka case B. Job officer approach Karta High or Pukta High, so you haven't been taking your medication. Why would you sleep at the wheel right here?
Yahan se investigation formally start hoya ki hai.
Legal context Samajna Zarori High. Agar vehicle running ho, driver's seat main bonda ho, or open alcohol ho, to EC actual physical control, mana jada high.
Matlap gari khal rahi ho ypsilona na ho, agar ap control main ho. Diwi apply o sakta ai.
Officer Hansen calmly introduced Cardi Hain. My name is Officer Hansen.
I posedun profesi man kahit siya hai.
Pala focus, welfare check. Kia medical issue high? Kia blood sugar low high? Kia diabetic episode high? Deki Kai's Officer Peli medical angle clear Karn, ki koshish Cardi Hain. Lekin for twist at a high? Open alcohol. Yahan situation bilkul tense ho gai. Officer Sita Bolta high. You were in constructive possession of this vehicle. You had an open container. You can go to jail for a DUI right at this exact minute. Ya koi damki nahi, ya legal reality high. AAP Kia Sakti Hain? Agar AAP driver seat main han. Engine on ho, or alcohol pas ho. Kia court EC ignore Karega?
Scena ap escalato hunelaga hai. Slurred speech. Inconsistent statements. Or alcohol ki smell. Herthez ekpazol pis bang rahi hoi.
Har second ka impact yahan critical high. Yes surf parking lot ka simple encounter nahi. Ya DUI investigation ka foundation high. Short summary. Officers any Peli medical possibility check key for legal grounds established kai. Open container plus physical control plus impairment signs.
Aptika haya agla phase kaiser unfo.
I can smell it.
Yeah.
So I can smell alcohol coming from, as you speak, I can smell alcohol coming off your breath.
You can give me a test. I'm not.
So you said you have low blood sugar. Are you diabetic or anything?
Yes.
Do you need EMS to check you out real quick?
No, I just need to get home.
Well, you can't be driving like this. One way or the other, you ain't gonna be driving.
Where's your husband? Because you're not leaving. You're not driving this vehicle.
You can go to a jail for a DUI under narcotics and
I'm not sitting right here
prescription
waiting on your
pills.
to pick you up. So either you find somebody to pick you up,
or I'm going to take you to jail and we're going to tow your car.
one or the two.
Well, I'm going to do what I have to do. I have a job and a responsibility to keep the public safe. You have open alcohol in your car. So you're saying if I went and I sent this straw to FDLE, they would say it's not your DNA on it.
But she said it was,
She just told me it's not hers.
oh, you told me it wasn't yours?
No, it was mine.
No, you just told me it's not yours. You just told me a couple minutes ago this was not yours. It was someone else's. When I started talking to you, that's what you told me.
She told me it was from last night, but she didn't drink it. So I don't know if she told you that. But
No, she just said it.
I'm so
she told me
sorry.
this was from last night and it
I'm
was
so
hers.
sorry. If I said that, I promise you.
So what all medication have you took if you did not drink anything? 'Cause I don't see.
Poor Leaky.
I took
Yeah, VMS 51 for a eval on blood sugar.
my Soditex, my
All at once?
Percocets.
All at once?
You realize some of those medications you're not supposed to drive with, right? You're not supposed to operate a motor.
1 giờ kế bắt interrogan tôn Tody firm Hozati hai.
Officer clearly Bolta High. You have extremely slurred speech. Yahan ek important procedural nuance high. Officer KO apnea observations clearly document Carney Hody Hain. Slurred speech. Odor of alcohol, confusion. Yes, sab probable cause build Cardi Hain.
Woman claim karki hai ke medication ki vayach se slur ho raha hai. Ab dekha hai a situation ka complexity. Kia isap an kon hai?
Ya prescription drugs be involved Hain? Jab Officer Kata High. Have you been drinking and taking medication at the same time? Yep, polydrug suspicion ka hin high. Or fur. You can give me a test. Ya moment interesting high. AAP notice carrying Kai's suspect initially confident lagdi high.
लेकिन officers को smell आ रही है alcohol की. Yesh direct contradiction hai.
Legal point. Dewi sirf alcohol se nayota. Agar medication impairment cause care, or AAP vehicle operate carrion. Wobi DUI high. Florida law under narcotics plus alcohol ka combination or be serious mana jada high. Officer repeatedly husband KO call Karn KO bolta high.
Kyan?
Kyunki DUI avoid Karn ka ektarika hoda high. Responsible party vehicle lo J. Lekin jab impairment strong lage. Officer ka duty public safety hoda high. Either you find somebody to pick you up, or I'm going to take you to jail.
Yesh discretionary moment hai.
Officer ek chance da raha high. AAP Kia expect car rahida?
Kya ye kaze ya inkata mo sakta ta agar wo honestoti? Lekin ab tension a build hon valley hai.
Conflicting statements about straw, DNA, ownership, credibility crack ho rahi high. Deki decision ka affect Kai's unfold hoda high.
For vehicle.
I took
Did you take all that at once? Today?
this morning.
Is it cold?
It's cold. You can't feel me like fresh.
Still cold.
Fence is blowing right on.
No, it's the bottom that's cold, not the top.
So you gonna get checked out by EMS?
If they say your blood sugar is good, then I'm gonna do a DUI. Gonna check you for driving under the influence. And at that point,
You gotta get control of your. We told you that. Me and Officer Alfred told you that you gotta get control of your medicine that they give you. That you can't be mixing it. You can't go overboard. We told you that you may have your addiction back to that. So you need to get control of that. Because when I knocked on the glass, you woke up in time, but you still was slumped at the wheel.
Yeah.
And you're the same way I see you from whenever you were at the house on your medication. When you were hiding that the Subutex and all that in your purse and all that. Where's your son at? Why? Well, you always crying, but this is the second run-in I've had with you when you're on your medication. I believe that you wasn't drinking, but I do believe that you are off so much of your medication like you were last time. Because it's the same way, exact way you act. The exact same way. Maybe you had a little sip or two of that.
yeah, when I was standing here, you could smell a little bit coming off
Yeah.
her.
smell like a fruity smell, but I'm not sure.
330 Kuaround Ek or crucial factor at a high medication list. Multiple prescriptions X Sothlina. Officer Sita Bolta High. You realize some of those medications you're not supposed to drive with, right? Yahan Deki Kai's legal responsibilities shift Hodi High. Prescription Honan Matlab, free pass Nahi Hoda. Agar label P Liga High do not operate heavy machinery. Or AAP drive carrion, tow accountability AAP par high.
Woman sweeting hai, stumbelkati hai zapkadi she nikali hai.
Yahan officer cost statement important high. When you got out of your car, you stumbled.
Physical coordination test unofficially observekia, yaraha hai.
AAP notice carrying Kai's officer calmly fact stack car raha high.
Slumped at wheel.
Open alcohol still cold. Straw with liquid. Mixed medications.
Slurred speech.
Sweating.
Stumbling.
Yet totality of circumstances high. Court main ISI phrase ka use hoda high. Totality of circumstances.
Situation ab maximum escalate hogai.
Officer clearly KH raha high. At this point, you're driving under medications that you shouldn't be driving under. Curiosity hook. Agar AAP officer out, or itni indicators melt. Kia AAP risk lead or you strive karndit. Short transition. Absaps critical moment ain wala high. Refusal ya compliance ka decision. Yeah, ek turning point high Joe Pura case define Karega.
The fruity smell will be that. Well,
I guess I smell, yeah, I smell something.
I understand
I can't
that.
even believe your word, because last time, you pulled a fast one on me at your house. When you had the subject text and you stuck it up and stuff and all that.
That was it.
I couldn't, wow, makes a big difference. I couldn't trust you then, so I definitely can't trust you now. Have you been to court yet for the charge that was filed against you from Officer Alfred? No.
They all got dropped.
They got dropped? Okay, I figured.
Do you mind shutting your car off and stepping out here to talk to us?
So you got spared you got spared that time, and now you back in trouble.
Walk up to the front of the car there. Yeah, she's under something. So you realize you can go to jail for a DUI under medication too, right? If it says you're not supposed to operate a motor vehicle, it means you're not supposed to operate a motor vehicle.
Yes, sir.
You calling your husband trying to?
He's in the house. No one's never even Can you follow me?
Not a chance. You are not driving that car. I will take you to jail before I dare do that. That is the dumbest question you can ask us right now. So quit crying. So when you got out of your car, you stumbled. You stumbled up here. So at this point,
I'm sorry.
there you again.
I'm sorry now. My knee up.
I understand, but crying and all this other stuff is not doing you any justice.
9:30 Kabad scene dramatic. Turn Lita high. Officer explain Carta high consequences. If you refuse, it's an automatic 1-year suspension. Yeah, implied consent law high. Jab AAP driver's license lead Hain. AAP legally agree Cardi Hain chemical testing Kalia. Woman confuse ho jati high. I did not know that. Lekin officer ka jawab sita high. It says it right on your driver's license. Yahan Deki Kai's ignorance of law defense, Nahi Hoda. Law Keda High, refusal ka MATLAB automatic suspension. For emotional breakdown, start Hoda High. Please don't do this to me. Lekin officer ka stands firm high. You did this to yourself.
Yef harsh lag sakta hai, lekin public safety perspektive se dekin, dewi potentiali deadly hota hai.
AAP Kia Sakti Hain? Kia officers KO Yahan Thoda or lenient Hona Chahida?
Ya repeatet prior incidents ne unka turust katam kardia?
Scene of arrest phase Ki Teraf move car Raha High. Har second ka impact critical high Kyunki of freedom stake par high.
Come back over here.
You're trying to show us that you can walk, but that's past the point.
Yeah, it's already done. You've already showed us enough that you're abbreviated.
You know. Because she has low blood sugar.
Not too much. So she was found slumped over the steering wheel in her car. Up on top of the car is alcohol. She's claiming that she has like her low blood sugar and that's why everything, but
You want to come in my truck and take your
so we need that checked out.
So she doesn't need to go to the hospital, you just want her sugar checked.
What's that?
So she doesn't need to go to the hospital, but she's a sugar checked essentially.
Pretty much. We're
Confirming.
yeah. So
Where you going? Your car.
she is. So she's on a bunch of medications. She says Percocets and all sorts of different things. She mixed them all. Just stay up here. You were sitting here pouring in sweat.
Pouring in sweat.
You can see the sweat all over your chest.
You can.
So here's what's gonna
There's no
happen.
sweat on my chest.
This should be.
But at this point, you're driving under medications that you shouldn't be driving under, and mixed medications on top of it, with open alcohol in your vehicle. That is still cold. The straw still has liquid in it, and you were slumped over the wheel. So I'm giving you all the basics of what's going on here. So will
Read it
you?
again to you?
No, I refuse, and I will.
Okay. Turn it.
I gotta
Nope.
go. Wait. Okay.
Nope.
I don't refuse. Okay.
No,
too late for that.
I don't refuse.
you
I
had the
don't-
option.
I don't refuse.
You refused.
Are you kidding me? I don't refuse.
You refused.
Please don't do that. I will. I will.
Nope.
No, you can't.
We can't do
You can choose
that.
What you wanna? Not yet. Lose your license because you refuse.
Now it's a 1-year automatic suspension from
I
the
did
Department of
not
Highway
know
Safety and Motor
that.
Vehicles.
I did not know
And you
that.
definitely have been drinking because I smell it now. And I had COVID.
Now that you're away from the car, we can smell the
I had
alcohol.
COVID. Now I can smell it on your breath.
I did not know that it was me going to jail.
It doesn't matter what it is.
11 o'clock Cobad physical arrest procedure began Hoda High. Up against the car. Yeah, lawful arrest command high based on probable cause. Officers specifically pukta high. Do you have anything on you? Yes, search incident to arrest ka part high. Safety kalia necessary high.
Strawaur paraphernalia mention hota hai. Woman et lai kati hai ke wo medicatin guts kati hai.
Lekin legally. Agar drug equipment misuse ya concealment ho. Wo separate charge ban sakta high. Dekhiye kaise control maintain kia, yaraha hai. Officer repeatedly instruct Karta high. Keep your hands out of your pockets.
I et scalito prevent kan ke lai hota hai.
Yahan situation tense high lekin physical force minimal high.
No taser, no takedown, sirf verbal control.
AAP notice carry in professionalism. Even during emotional pleas, procedure follow ho raha high. Short summary. Arrest lawful probable cause par based high. DUI plus open container plus poly drug suspicion plus refusal. Of final phase. Custody transport or charges confirmation.
Sobriety, it would have been the same thing.
We're not going to give you what's going to happen, so it makes you determine what you're going to do. It's you answer the question, but whatever you answer the question as.
Definitely drinking.
Oh yeah,
Okay, I will go to the
It's too
hospital.
late.
it's too late. You're going to jail.
Can
No.
I call my husband?
No,
I'll get all your stuff for you. Come on, don't.
you want a
don't
resisting
do all that.
charge?
Can
Don't do that.
I please call my husband?
You want a resisting charge that onto it, so you can stay in there?
Why can't I call my husband?
Because
I had surgery on this arm, sir. Please,
no,
please.
Okay, so quit pulling away. You on a 43er or 83er real quick?
Yeah, come on.
There's some gloves in the back.
I thought you said it was her.
Actually, here we go. Up against the car.
Like, now I'm gonna ask you this: do you have anything on you? Because the last time I searched you, you had something inside of. No, leave it there. Leave
Don't
it there.
touch.
Leave it there. I'm talking about as far as in your private area, in your breast.
No.
Because last time, you had it at.
Keep your hands out of your pockets.
So now I've actually that I cleared that up, and you told me no. Say no again.
No.
Okay. Because last time you lied.
straw?
Straw because I take Subutex and I do not like to swallow them. So I crush them. Nope, you can test it.
It doesn't matter. That's classified as paraphernalia.
You
In the
can test it.
Quit?
It's the only way I can take my Subutex.
I'm pretty sure.
That you can take it a whole lot more than that. 440.
No,
let's see.
you have to let it melt under your tongue, and I cannot.
Can you show one whiskey foxtrot?
Please.
Am I missing anything in your bra?
No, please let me
You'll-
change. Please let
no.
me change my mind.
Not a chance. That's not how this works.
He's in Jacksonville.
That is not how this works.
No way.
We gave you the opportunity to be honest
And
with
I'm
us.
so sorry.
Nah, sorry does
I'm
not butt
so
it.
sorry.
Stay and looking at the car. Sorry does not butt
I'm
it.
so sorry.
Just so you know, DUI has no bond. You do not get out of jail till you see the judge tomorrow. Your car is being towed at this point.
Please don't do this to me.
You did this to yourself.
I promise you,
No.
I will
No.
go take the blood
I'm not
test.
playing this game. I asked you.
1400 hours Kabad focus shift Hoda high child custody concern par. Ya human side, high story ka. Officers ensure Cardi Hain cause son safe pickup ho. AAP notice carrion. Despite arrest, officers allow short communication.
Iditskati na humani hyposoke anda.
Woman for blood test degree Cardi High. Lekin officer clear Cardi High. You're still going to jail. Kyun? Kyunki probable cause already established Ho Chuka High. Blood test result bad main court main matter Karega. Lekin arrest is moment main justified high. Yeah, ek important legal nuance high. Chemical test Dina arrest cancel Nahi Karda. Wo surf evidence clarify Karda High. Scene emotionally heavy Ho Chuka High. I do not understand. Lekin officer ka jawab structured high. Are you an adult?
Iyak kautititi ka zemindo hai.
He asked you and I asked you once. You decided your answer was
I
no.
didn't understand. I did not understand. I didn't understand that if I said no, that I would go to jail. No one.
Do you have a driver's license?
I do.
Yeah, I gave
What
that
does
to you
it say
right
on the
there.
driver's license, right? It says that if you refuse any test, it's an automatic suspension.
No.
It says it right on your driver's license.
That's good.
Come on. Get in the car.
Will you please grab?
Get in the car.
Can you grab my phone and my?
We'll put
Make sure everything's fine.
I'll take your phone with you to the jail.
Do you have preferred
My son has to be picked up from Morgan.
I just asked you that. So who was the lady that was just here?
That was the bank worker.
So who's gonna pick your son up since your husband's in Jacksonville? So that the coach and
Can you please call her back out here so I can explain to her what's happening?
does she work inside?
Yes.
What's her name?
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn? Alright.
Do you want me to take it or we can read her that now?
This one right here?
Yeah.
Do you still refuse to submit to a test?
No, I do not. I'll go.
So you're still going to jail no matter what, just so you know.
Because you still refused the first time.
You refused the first.
I didn't understand that if I refused that I was going to jail. I didn't understand.
You're still going to jail.
Who is this?
You're driving you're under the influence.
She wanted me to come pick her up.
So she's under arrest for driving under the influence. She had open alcohol in the vehicle, as well as she's been mixing with all of her medications. So, yeah, at this point she's under arrest. We're just trying to find someone to take care of her son.
Oh, is it Clayton? I can take him at home.
So I guess he's at baseball right now. If you want to talk to Officer Kelly about that, she's on the phone trying to figure that out right now.
Am I able to talk to Anna?
Yeah, just talk to her real quick. We'll open up the door so you can talk to her. Nope.
1600 hours Kabad officer explain Carta High poly drug use. Alcohol plus narcotics together. Yeah, court main aggravating factor ho Sakta High. Deki Kai's officer prior history mention Carta High. Trust erosion clear high.
The pit encounter credibility ko affect kata hai.
Yahan audience Kalia Sol. Kia past behavior current decision KO influence Carta High? Han. Officer discretion main credibility major role play Cardi High. Woman repeatedly pleads.
Emotional tension peak parai. Lekin legal momentum a reverse nahi ho zakta.
Situation fully controlled high.
No chaos.
No excessive force. Surf structured enforcement.
Bro, I didn't know you were
Hey, Kelly. Hey, Kelly. She said she'll pick him up.
Well, they just see the dad on the phone. Somebody,
Okay.
I'm gonna bear.
There's consequences for actions in the state of Florida.
I don't understand.
You got a driver's license.
I did not read. I promise you I did. I have not read the back of that driver's license. I promise you.
That is not my problem. You already said you're going to give a blood test. So we're going to go, but you're still going to jail for driving under the influence.
I didn't drive.
Yeah.
She said she was saying that she said he wouldn't see the
Oh, okay. Okay.
Please take me to the hospital and let me do a blood test.
You're going to do a blood test, but you're still going to jail.
I do not understand.
It doesn't matter if you understand or not. Are you an adult?
I am, but I did not understand that if I didn't, like, I don't.
It's not about
I don't know
understanding.
why I
You
said
were
no.
in the
I don't
vehicle,
know.
slumped over with open alcohol inside the vehicle. You've taken multiple prescriptions that you're not even supposed to be operating a motor vehicle with. That is called polydrug use, alcohol and narcotics together.
Final wrap-up. 1733. Charges announced. Driving under the influence. Resisting an officer. Possession of drug equipment. Yes, surf ek parking lot incident nahida. Yeah, ek layered case the medical claims, open alcohol, medication mix, refusal, prior contact. AAP notice carrying Kai's ek simple welfare check se full custodial arrest tac escalation hui. Step by step, legally justified framework core andar. Hard decision from asking about blood sugar to offering test to explaining suspension, documented and procedural the. AAP Kia Sakti Hain? Agar initial moment main honesty hodi. Ye medication responsibly manage hodi. Kia outcome different hoda? Yeah real life body cam reminder high. Steering wheel par bathna be legal responsibility high. Alcohol or medication mix. Surf personal risk nahi. Public danger high.
That is polydrug use.
Did you see how much I drank of the alcohol?
I'm not saying
Not very much.
I'm not saying that's the only one. I'm just stating. So,
I will definitely take. I will please.
no, you're going to jail. They cut you a break last time they saw you. It's over for this time.
The last time they saw me, they came to my house. The cops was going to my house.
Okay, so the cops came to your house. $23 on a mileage.